All right, guys, I'm very excited today because we are going to be doing a giveaway. We're going to be giving away the brand new Beardscape version 2 trimmer. So welcome. My name's Brian. This is my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we try to help you grow your best beard possible. Thank you so much for joining me. And along with growing your best beard possible, we have to trim your best beard possible. And I've been doing that ever since the channel started here with my Brio Beardscape. We have the original version 1. And as I got more and more into the YouTube channel and creating beer-related content, I actually took on Brio as an affiliate. So you can actually save money when you purchase from Brio using the code BANJO. And I appreciate all you guys have been doing that recently. It's really helped out quite a bit with your support for the channel. And then a couple of months ago, I had the opportunity to be the first person to try the new version 2. It's got a little more bells and whistles. You can go back and check out that video just to do the comparison. By the way, they are continuing to sell the version 1. They both have their place. So one's a little bit cheaper. One's got a little bit more as far as the bells and whistles and different kind of features. So you can go back and do the comparison there to see which one may fit you and your budget the best. But what we're going to be doing is giving away the new version 2 for my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. All right, so right now I'm at 1859 as of the recording of this video. So I got a little bit more to go, but I thought it would be really good incentive to help grow the channel and to give back to you guys and to feature Brio a little bit here over the next few weeks as my numbers continue to go up and we hit that 2,000 mark. So what do you need to do in order to be eligible for the giveaway? First of all, you need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel here. And then also, if you'll like this video and put a comment below. You can say whatever you want, but if you put a comment below, you will be entered into the giveaway. I'm also going to be making some posts over on Instagram. I would love for you to be to follow me on Instagram if you use Instagram, that is, and share some of the posts that I make about it. The faster we get the word out, the more you guys help me with that, the faster we'll get to 2,000 and we'll be able to do this giveaway. So I wanted to give a special thanks to Brio and Miss Ellie over there that I work with. Really great folks over there. And I'm looking forward to doing this big giveaway for you guys, hopefully over the next few weeks, but we'll see how it goes. So as always, I appreciate you guys watching and we'll see you on the next video. I got a lot more stuff planned as far as trimming up your beard and all of that stuff. So stay tuned.